Coach Vigue's 2 best-selling books make great gifts. Order below.
My friends, it's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I, by the stream, by the Shire. Welcome to morning yoga, working on your hip flexibility. Always modify as needed. And thanks for joining me today. Without further ado, let's get going. Cap is on, a little chill in the air, but nothing will stop us from getting our morning stretch. All right, we're breathing in the nose and out the nose. Let's begin on our backs. Socks are optional. If you don't have socks, you may enjoy mine. Bring the bottoms of the feet together. The lying butterfly stretch. Bring the legs out to a comfortable position. Head is down, or if you want to work the abs, bring the head and shoulders off the mat. We're going to place the hands here and gently rock side to side. Opening the hips, the hip flexors, the groin, and the psoas. And I hope you enjoy the fancy camera angles today. We have my best friend Stefan behind the camera. Say hi, Stefan.
Hello.
Great. We rehearsed that. All right, let's do 3 more breaths. Remember, in the nose, out the nose. When you're breathing, breathe outward into the rib cage. So you're really expanding the breath, and then flush it all out with the exhale. Some gentle movement, little dynamic movement through your range of motion. Your chest is open, your shoulders are down, or we're up here. 1 more breath. All right, a lying no good pigeon. Take the left leg out, take the right ankle on top of the thigh here. If you want a little bit more, you can move into a figure 4 stretch, bringing the leg in, right arm in between, left arm on the outside, and gently pull. Let's do 5 breaths, a little rocking side to side. Getting some stretch in the glutes, especially this one right here, the hips and the low back. You can also extend this leg up to bring the hamstrings to the party. Good. Remember that breath. Big inhales, big exhales. Think of filling and emptying the lungs. 1 more breath. Oh, that's so nice. Let's add a twist here. Cross the leg over, right leg over, and drop the legs to the side. Loosen up the low back, encourage some circulation, some blood flow. 3 more breaths. Little cap adjustment, very technical. Reach this arm back for a little extra stretch in the chest. Good. As you exhale, let it release. Melting into the stretch. Very good. Let's go to the other side. So right leg out, take the left ankle on top, here, or here. Use that left elbow to press into the leg to open up the hip. Let's do 5 breaths. What a lovely day. Enjoy the backdrop here. We got some blue skies, some sleeping trees, and the never-ending stream. Water. These flows are like water. Always moving. Always flowing. All right, cross the left leg over the right. Drop the legs to the right side. Let this left shoulder sink down. Now, if you like, extend the arm out, opening the chest. 3 breaths. Relax into it. A good twist is when we get out of our own way. Just get out of the way, relax, there we go. Perhaps a cavitation on the spine. Okay, let's bring it up and over. Pigeon pose. But first, to lead into pigeon, we're going to do something called the mermaid or the merman, if you're a Zoolander fan. Rhyming. Right leg forward. Bend. Here's the merman. Actually, let's do it. I'll do it the other way. Stay where you are. You can see me right here. Here's the mermaid stretch. You can stay right here. Look at this hip flexor getting some nice movement here at the quad. And then come with the hands forward. You want to move into pigeon. Slide this leg all the way back. The knee pointed down. Take this foot as far forward as you're comfortable with. And actively extending the leg back as you lift and hinge forward. Let's do 5 breaths, either one. I practice this one a lot. I like to bring the foot pretty much parallel with the front of the mat and place my hand here and then sink down. You can work up to that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Let's get serious. Good. Little movement side to side. It's little fingers, like a massage. Massaging that area down there. Hip flexors, hip extenders. Switch sides. Merman, mermaid, we got this. We have this, or en français, pigeon. Slide it back. I'm going to take the hand here. I practice these pretty much every night. I say practice, I don't do them. You're always practicing. Trying to remember where you left off last time and then moving a little further forward from there. But I do these at night when I'm working or I'm writing or reading, whatever I'm doing. It's a great stretch to do in the middle of your other stuff. 4 more breaths. Good. Release forward and down. Forgot to put on sunscreen, didn't I? The sun is warm here. Everything's better at the Shire, isn't it? And one more breath. In the nose, out the nose. Classic yoga breathing. Lovely. All right, bring it up. Shake out the arms and the legs. We doing good for time? We got about 3 minutes left. Goes so fast. Let's do a hurdle stretch here. So bring this foot to the inside of the leg, and we're going to gently take it back and forth. Little side bends. Inhale center, exhale to the side, hand here, here, here. And then the hand on the outside. So we're not just exclusively stretching our hip flexors, we are moving the entire area, the entire body, as we constantly learn how to use our body as one unit. That sound about right, Stefan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's right. Sir, yes, sir. All right, other side. Leg out. Get that position first. We're facing the front. Are you alone out here? Okay. Just like in Colorado, you never know what's going to come up behind you. Back and forth. Lengthen up and over. All right. 2 Minuten. Noch 2 Minuten. One more time each side. These are the stretches too. They're so nice. This dynamic movement takes our mind off of any discomfort we're having and actually starts to get everything moving in the right direction. Okay, now bent knee straddle, the big finisher. We got this. You can bend the knees. You can bring the feet further forward. Interesting position, isn't it? You have this or straddle stretch. What the hell am I sitting on? All right, shoulders back and down. Let's do that side bend. Draw the toes towards you for more of a stretch in the calves and the hamstrings. Good. Perfect timing. I like these flows to be about 10 minutes. That's a nice nugget for your morning. Okay, now slide. Maybe the hands are here. Maybe they come forward here. With each inhale, we're going to lift a little bit. And with each exhale, lengthen forward. Again, do this in a bent knee position if you like. Or sit cross-legged or bring the bottoms of the feet together in a butterfly. It's up to you. Let's do one more breath. You can always hold this longer. Just let the video play out. Make sure you share this video with all your friends who definitely need to start their day just like this. Extra energy, extra focus, extra strength. All right, walk it up, hands behind, drop the head back, open it up. Bare your chest to the sun. was für ein schöner Tag hier. Oh, one more breath. Relax the jaw. These are little skills you want to take with you throughout the day. The breath, the movement, the relaxation, the posture, the alignment. And don't forget the fun. All right, shake out the arms and the legs. Fantastic, my friends. It's me, Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. If this video helped, please hit that like button. Subscribe to never miss a workout. And as I said before, share it on. That makes Coach Vigue very happy. Thanks for joining me on the mat. And one more thing. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.